All right, let's get right into it. If you're creating content online, you need to pay close attention, because what we're about to break down isn't just a small update to your workflow. Nope, it's the entire playbook for how things are going to get done in 2026.
Look, let's just be real for a second. If you're still doing every single part of your content creation by hand in 2026, you're basically choosing to get left in the dust. So let's fix that, starting right now.
And this is the big promise, right? This is why this matters so much. All that tedious work, the scripting, the designing, the editing, the posting, the stuff that used to just eat up your entire day, well now, it can all be squeezed down into just a few minutes. And I'm not kidding. This is the new reality.
So here it is. This is the new playbook. Think of it like a 6-step AI-powered assembly line for amazing content. From that first spark of an idea, all the way to analyzing how it performs, AI is there to supercharge every single step. Let's walk through it.
Okay, first things first, the idea. This is usually the hardest part, isn't it? Just staring at a blank screen, a blank page, hoping inspiration will magically appear. Well, you can say goodbye to those days.
Seriously, just think about it. This is the death of writer's block. Tools like ChatGPT and Gemini are like your own personal, infinite brainstorming partner. Need 10 viral video ideas about, ancient Rome? You got it. A full script for a product review? Done. Some witty captions for Instagram? You get all of that stuff instantly. It's incredible. All right, so you've got your killer script. Now you've got to make it look and sound good, right? This used to be the part where you either had to be a pro with complicated software or, well, your content just didn't look that great. Not anymore.
First up in our little audio-visual toolkit is Canva AI. Now, I'm sure a lot of you already know and love Canva, but the AI features they've been rolling out, whoa, it's a total game changer.
And here's the magic of it. You don't have to be a graphic designer anymore to make things that look like they were made by a graphic designer. Whether it's for YouTube thumbnails or social media posts, you just type what you want, and Canva's AI generates these beautiful professional designs in seconds. Now for video. And this is where things start to feel like we're living in the future, with tools like Pika and Runway. You can take a line straight from that script we just generated and just turn it into a video clip.
You can literally type a sentence like, "an astronaut riding a horse on Mars," and these tools will create a short video of it. It's just an insane way to create visuals that make people stop scrolling and pay attention.
And the final piece of this audiovisual puzzle is the voice. A really good voiceover can make or break a video, and that's where a tool like ElevenLabs is just, wow.
The quality of these AI voices has gotten so good, it's honestly kind of spooky. You often can't tell the difference between them and a real human. So you can take that script, pop it into ElevenLabs, and out comes a perfect broadcast quality voiceover. No microphone needed.
So making amazing content is one thing, but now you got to get people to actually see it. This next part is all about using AI to basically automate your growth and get your stuff in front of as many eyes as possible.
This is all about working smarter, not harder. Let's say you just made an awesome long-form YouTube video using all the tools we just talked about. So how do you get the most out of it? Well, you meet Opus Clip. This thing is like an efficiency machine on steroids. You upload one long video, and its AI scans through and finds all the best, most engaging, most viral-worthy moments. Then, it automatically chops them up into a bunch of short clips, adds captions, and gets them ready for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. It's a content multiplier.
And finally, we get to the ultimate cheat code, knowing what's going to be popular before it's popular. This is where vidIQ's AI comes in, giving you this massive strategic advantage.
It's really like having a crystal ball for content. Instead of just jumping on trends after they've already peaked, this thing uses predictive analytics to tell you what topics are about to blow up. This means you can get in on a trend right as it's starting, which puts you way, way ahead of the competition.
So, when you put all these pieces together, what's the result? Well, it looks something like this. And we're not talking about a small improvement here. The difference is absolutely massive. Creators who use this kind of AI workflow are just in a completely different league than those who don't. And that gap, it's only going to get wider.
Okay, let's wrap this up. We've gone through the entire playbook, from that first idea to the final analysis. But I want to be clear, this isn't just a list of cool new apps. This is a whole new reality for what it means to be a creator. Here's the bottom line. This really isn't up for debate anymore. The proof is everywhere.
The creators who are weaving these tools into their process are growing their audiences and their engagement way faster. It's just a simple, undeniable fact of life for creators in 2026. Period.
So, think of this as a friendly warning. The tools are here, the playbook is here, but things are moving so fast. If you don't make a conscious choice to start using these workflows, you really do risk getting left behind by the people who do.
Because in the end, this isn't really about technology. It's about strategy, and it's about speed. This playbook is out there for everyone to use. So the only real question left is, are you going to use it before your competition does?